I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn RCS business messages off on your iPhone. While RCS messaging brings great features like high-quality media sharing and read receipts to your conversations with Android users, you might find yourself getting flooded with unwanted promotional text or spam from automated business accounts. If you want to put a stop to these corporate messages while keeping regular text messaging active, Apple makes it easy to disable business-specific RCS communications in your settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down the menu until you see Apps and then tap Apps. Step 3. Scroll through your apps list and tap Messages. Step 4. Look for the text messaging section and then tap RCS Messages. Step 5. Tap the toggle switch next to RCS Business Messages to turn the feature off. The switch will change from green to gray, confirming that businesses can no longer reach you using standard RCS features. If you ever change your mind and want to give a specific company another chance, you can easily come back to this exact same menu at any time and toggle the switch back on. It is also worth noting that turning this feature off will not block standard SMS or MMS text messages from a business if they have your phone number, so you may still receive traditional text from them. If you are dealing with a single, highly persistent business and you do not want to shut off all RCS business messages entirely, you can choose to block that specific sender instead. To do this, open the conversation inside the Messages app with the business who keeps messaging you. Tap their phone number at the top of the chat. Tap Block Contact in the menu on the next screen, and then Block Contact again in the menu that pops up, asking if you're sure you want to block them. This will silence all future text and calls from that specific account while leaving the rest of your RCS business features up and running. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.